1139, they give us this function, and it's written in vertex form, right? So for A, it says state the vertex. Remember the vertex, right, is y equals, right, A times x minus h plus k. And if it's written in this form, the vertex is at hk, right? Okay, so it is written in this form, and therefore the vertex is 2, vertex is at 2, 6, right, is the vertex. Now, then it says for A, is it a maximum or minimum? Let's remember what it means. If the parabola opens up, then the vertex is a minimum. If the parabola opens down, then the vertex is the maximum, right? So in this case, we know that the A here, right here, is negative, which means it opens down. So therefore, this is a maximum value. And whenever they talk about values, minimum and max, they're talking about the y values, right? So if you think of this on a graph, right, here's x, y, right, whatever. This is the highest point y can go, right? Okay. And then for B, it says use your graphing shortcuts to draw a graph and verify your answer to part A. Okay. We can, in this case, you could use Desmos for this, but we could quickly graph based on the information that we know, right? X, Y. The vertex is at 2, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So the vertex is here. We know it opens down, right? We know that if we put a 0 in for x, right? Let's do that, right? I have y equals negative 2 x minus 2 squared plus 6, right? We know that, let's put a 0 in for x, right? So this would be negative 2, or sorry, 0 minus 2 is negative 2 squared is 4, so it'd be negative 2 times 4 plus 6. So y would equal negative 8 plus 6, negative 2. So 0 for x produces a y of negative 2, right? Negative 2. And that's pretty much enough. We could draw our graph, right? We know it opens down, and we know that's a point, right? So, right, that's enough to make a sketch, right? It says, draw a graph and verify your answer. That's enough to make a sketch of the parabola.